Hello, how are you? My name is Mike, and welcome to another unboxing video. Trying this out, new camera, new mic, see how this records. Hopefully it records well. Today, we're going to be unboxing some products from Japan, as we always are. Once again, this is a Comic Cat special, so it's going to be a lot of doujin, but it's also some other things, and I do promise there is actually an anime figure in here. So I'll show you the box that I have. We're going to leave that on the floor, and we're going to just work off of what we have in here. That's right. Starting off with, there's a heft to it. Were you able to read that? Now you can see what my Tenso address is. Ay caramba. Oh. Oh, that sucked. I'm sure you can already tell what's in this. One problem with filming in a basement, all the stomping goes down through the floor. Oh yes. Hey. Look at that. This is really thick and luxurious. And let's not look at her crotch. Alright. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, that's pretty nice, eh? I'm hoping this is all getting in the shot. I don't know, it's the first time using this camera. And the last one, ready? I believe this one's another Azure Lane, because I'm pretty sure it has Javelin. Yeah, oh, it's got the three of them there, in their idol outfits. Yeah, that's super cute. I like that. So, that is, honest to goodness, the nicest material I've ever felt a wall scroll made out of. This is why you go, oh Mike, a wall scroll, talk about Weebish. When you feel this, you're like, I understand. I used to also think that too. I was like, oh my gosh, I was so nerdy when I had these. Mind you, I had a lot of bootleg ones when I was a kid. Sailor Moon, Ram 1/2, Evangelion. So let's put the stuff over there. Let's see, they cut it open at one point to confirm whatever's in it. I think they're making sure that you're not shipping anything illegal. Oh no. Is this going to be appropriate for YouTube? You tell me. Oh, what's this artist's name? Starts with an S. Sakimata, something like that. I will have it down below while we're looking at it, because I cannot remember the doujin artist's name. Very cute. She's sticking her tongue out. So this is from Studio Chef's own store. Aha! It is a canvas of Madoka. Madoka Magica. Well, Pulel Magi Madoka Magica. Pulel Madi Magica. Madoka Magi. Pulel Madi. Oh, Magi. You know what? Akuda Matata. It's a wonderful phrase. This is one that seems to be the fan favorite. In my opinion, differs slightly. I mean, Homeru had good intentions. The road to hell is paved with good intentions. So there we go, right there. And it comes with a little art card. That's cute. Those are $40 each. Is that worth it? Get placed before. There's those two. Very nice. This was cute. It's like a silly Darling in the Franxx manga. It's not a 4-comi, but it's just like really kind of goofy. She's getting married, but you know who not to. Alright, a little more difficult. Aha! We got, yes, I think it was Fruit from the Enemy Summit recommended me to these, and I don't know, it's just like an Aqua Girl. These are, again, mangas, right? Let's see if we can find a good splash page or something. I don't know, but she looks kind of funny. Aqua Girls! I just love the material they use. There's a certain je ne sais quoi about the way Japanese products are made. Very tactile experience. Switching stuff. Some of this may not be appropriate. If it is, I apologize in advance. It is a guide to programming on the Game Boy, the original Game Boy. Problem is, it's all in Japanese. It's yes, I've been self-teaching myself to some extent, but well, there's something about ROM and VRAM. Okay, well, you know, it's not possible. Disable interrupts. So this was just, I don't know. I caught it. Continuing in the theme of girls in the military with guns. It's like a glasses case. But yeah, it has like a little model. Does it? I don't, you know what? I don't know what exactly is in it. Girls, get your arms. Girls, get your arms. If they need guns. Maybe they, you know, because those types of, you can remove the arms. Don't, oh my god! Really? Did they have to do it like this? Oh, you know what? That was too quick. Too quick. Other stuff here. Incriminating evidence down under there. I see, they put all the receipts here. This is some... I got a sneaky suspicion this is raunchy. Yep. We cannot show this on camera. Are you clean, young lady? Aha! This is part of the set from one of the doujin artists I follow. She always does these big keychains. I have another one of hers up over there. Oh yes! I've gotten this one before. Pop. So we have a keychain which has a little cat lady person. She's not wearing very much. She has a little heart and some lemons. When life gives you lemonade, get a cat girl. Alright. So this is, this is transparent. Shark! All the VTuber fans out there. And there it is. Pop! I don't know how much I am going to show of this. It's a little less appropriate than I thought. I don't remember the first book being this inappropriate. Here, I can show the last page where it's super duper cute. Oh yes, I got some keychains. We have Unicorn. We have Saber Altar Maid. Oh, it actually says it. Artoria Altar Rider. On the other side. Haman. We have a very happy Nero. A little Javelin. I think I got another Nero here. Yes, I do. Never enough Neros. Free her from her captivity! There you go. Very awesome. Oh! So that knife did fall in there. Ha! That's funny. One of my sleeper hits of last year was Assault Lily Bouquet. Just like kind of magical girl, current armor girl. Me and friends called it joking Assault Thigh. They definitely cashed in on the whole thigh thing. Just a little display of the two main girls. Should I get to the big pile of stuff that's beside me? I'm having fun kind of opening up this stuff. This is part of that set. The one who did this keychain here. This year she does something different. So last year was a plate. The year before that was a teacup, and this is just a glass. Not that I'd ever drink out of it, because this is the kind of stuff that the moment you wash it, you start scraping it off. But it's summer. It's basically the Servant Fest, the best summer, in my humble opinion. Okay, now it's time for this bad boy. Okay, so there are some things that we cannot show in the title because we're on YouTube, and one day it would not be so bad to demonetize it. But this is definitely not the way to do it. This is not the end of the world. Anyways, so it's our old friend Yum Yamu. So that's his new book now. I'm not gonna pull this out right this second. I may film some B-roll of it. What happened to this? Who messed this up? Who messed this up? Okay, as long as nothing's damaged inside, I don't care. Gabiru! So, one of my favorite doujin artists. He's very professional, like it's not really an amateur in the slightest. This is kind of fun stuff. And a sun hat. Eat your heart out, Nick. It's a sun hat. So, little acrylic standee. That's fun. What else we got here? So he does like, this is just like bonus content where he talks about the way he does his artwork. And then of course, he's famous for his Fate sketch. And then we have our two clear files I can't fit. And cardboard. What else we got in here? Is it safe? Order of the Rabbit. Yep. Safe. I don't order of the, well. Is it safe? Nope. Okay, so these are some magazines here this from. So this is Famitsu video game magazine. The one with that new crossover game of Neptunia and Saran Ugara. Actually, you're gonna go over there. Thank you. What else we got? G's magazine. I don't know what the name. Wow, I like the material that they use for the cover. Feels nice, but this is a video game magazine of some sort. Oh, this is from last year. I think I got it just for the cover, to be honest. But let's see what's got inside. Oh! Cool. And I think it's got, like... yeah, War of the Underworld. So it's like a video game and anime magazine. Like, how many do they have of those? That's incredible. Character art. Okay. Fun. Moving along. Next. Oh, now I know what it feels like. I'm walking on my Japanese. Sorry. Still don't even know what the heck this is. Here's my receipt. Oh. This looks like it's a poster. Oh, Skate to the Infinite. Oh, it's that other magazine. So what issue? This is from May. Yeah. It's got Skate to the Infinite on it. It's another anime magazine. There are a dime a dozen. Horse Girls! I didn't watch that last season because I just barely watched the first season. Oh, I got some live action hunk. Who's that hottie? Too hot to try. I kind of like the fact that it came in this bag. ToshoCard.com. Thank you, ToshoCard. What is next? What is next? Oh, Mega Me. Which I think means Scottish? No, it's good. I forget exactly. Oh my. Oh. These are magazines. Oh. I cannot open this. I mean, look at. Listen. You can't see this. This is. Yeah, they get a little. They get a little sassy. Dynazeon. Yes. Look who it is. They know just who they're targeting. Oh, straight the blood. Anyways. Love it. What is this? Oh my gosh. Animate. Is this a tropical cure? No, this is one of the pretty cures. I don't know which one this is. This is also May. A little behind. Takes a while for me to get this stuff. Oh, it's got the guy from... A lot of people didn't like this, but apparently it's a web series. Way of the House Husband. More Skate the Infinite. What do we got on the back here? I don't know, but this is spicy. Very spicy. New Type magazine. I was reading New Types when I was a young lad. Yep, I bought my first New Type probably when I was 16 or 17 and sometime in the 90s. And I would just sit there and stare at it. And guess what? I still sit there and stare at it. Cool. This is, I feel like New Type is the more academic. Like, it's not like just throwing, you know, half-naked ladies all over the place. We're into Dojin time, which is why I go like this and hide certain books, because we're past magazines. So yeah, so we have magazines now. Some of them I can't necessarily show, but we have a collaboration book. So we have Yum Yum on the front, but it's a whole bunch of bunny girls. Oh, jeez. Okay, never mind. Whew. A little too spicy. What else we got? Oh, I see some Fate Grand Order. Okay. Is there an R18 on this? Because, well, okay, fair enough. You don't just... Artoria plays FGO. having a stretch. Being stuck in heels must suck. This is a wholesome book where she gets cut up. Glorious. So this is just like a ton of artists, and actually I think they go back in time. Like it's like artists over the ages doing different pictures of girls. This one is the not R18, but still it's pretty spicy again for YouTube. But just right. Another book here. Another Fate. An order book. Excuse me, Hakusai. She's sewing a little panty there. What else we have? Oh, you're not. For adult only. Well, you can see the cover at least. But that's as far as we go today, gentle persons. I got a couple of these. This is essentially like a fanzine. Talk about all the anime that was coming out. I don't know. I just kind of like it because it's like a very... I like the very amateur level stuff. I think it's fun. Ah, this is the book with the cup. Remember the cup. There it is. For Air Comiket 3. Oh, there's Castoria. Whoa. There's another one of those fan books. I got just a couple. Oh wow. The back of that's frightening. Thank goodness we got lasers over, or the sparklies over the Wait a second. Dr. Romani with fox ears? That's uncalled for. It's just a cute manga. Fate manga. This is another Fate one, but I'm trying to think. Her name is eluding me right now. This is, I want to say, is this not Panzer? Oh no, this is Kanko. My apologies, Kanko. A very, oh jeez. Very tsundere looking around. Oh, yeah, well, let's not show that page. Okay, why is it Shinji going crazy, as he should? There we go. I can show you a clean page. Oh my goodness, this is a mad pile I have here. A little beef right now that I have. Yep. On our final thing is... Tenso was not gentle with this box. They stacked things on it that they shouldn't have stacked. And as such, it's slightly crushed the front. So, see that? And that. And all along there. Something we could technically have big beef about, but I'm not kind of that person. Anyways, this is a Saber Altar from Heaven's Feel. This is after she gets sucked into the black mud. It's very fortunate what's happened to the box. But ultimately, I don't keep stuff in the box. And I don't hold on. I'm not like, I must keep this as valuable as possible. I am going to finish. Did I have anything else? I don't think so. Oh my goodness, this poor box. It's like, I think I'm gonna rip if you try to move me. Yeah, I'm already ripping. It's okay. It's okay, box. It's okay. I'm gonna see if a red pancake. Love the armor. Like, it's not just the same armor, it's like spikier and purple. Bias. Her head It's removable. Boop! Ah! You can get one with the visor. There. I am going to leave her with the open face sword. Black Excalibur. I like the fact that the base is actually really tiny. Ah, I see. It's actually bigger than I thought. Because the webbing and stuff. I thought this goes... This kind of feels chintzy. Maybe I'm expecting too much. But kind of just like the plastic that they use for this base. It feels cheap. Like it feels like it could snap very easily. And it doesn't stick in very... It just feels like they're really cheaped out on this. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Hope that was enjoyable. Please smash that like button and subscribe, stuff like that. I could use the subscriptions. Share with your friends. If you got any comments, please leave them. Otherwise, I'll see you around. Take care, everyone. Bye.